Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For those who are new, for those who are not new, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Also, if you are watching this and you haven't subscribed, please do so. I will really appreciate it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, it will help me a lot. Also, don't forget to like and share this video. Comment any problem you have in the comment section. Also, for those who want to support me and support this channel by donating, link in the description below. So today's video I'm gonna talk about a problem. I just bricked my phone just crashed. Yeah, so I just wanna talk about it. So here's my iPhone 8. Oh, sorry. Okay, so here's my iPhone. As you can see, it keeps restarting, it keeps rebooting. Just I'm not doing anything, and look at it. I'm just holding it and I can't do anything with it, so it just keeps restarting and rebooting over and over and over. So if you have any problem like this, if you got any problem like this on your iPhone and you don't know what to do, don't worry, I got you guys. So first of all, you'll have to put your device into recovery mode. So as I said, I can't do anything with it, but I can put it in recovery mode. So just hold the volume down button and the power button. Just keep holding them. Just keep holding them. Keep holding, don't let go, keep holding. Just keep holding. Keep holding. Keep holding. Just keep holding, guys, until it will enter into recovery mode. Let's try again. Keep holding the volume down button and the power button or the side button until it will enter into recovery mode. Sometimes it takes time, sometimes just as soon as you do that, it enters into recovery mode. Sorry, I forgot something. Before you do that, first of all, you should connect your device with the PC or your computer or the charger. So here's my device. So just insert the USB, then okay, now keep holding. Sorry, I forgot about that. So just keep holding volume down button and the side button or power button. Sorry, you must be connected to power in order to enter into recovery mode. As you can see, we're in recovery mode. I forgot about inserting the USB. I forgot about it must be connected to power. As you can see, I connected mine with the computer, with my PC. So after doing that, after entering into recovery mode, so what you're gonna do is go to 3U tools, open 3U tools. So 3U tools will detect your devices in recovery mode. Okay, so then go to flash. Then you should download the iOS update of your device. As you can see, I have downloaded mine. So I'll just click continue, just keep until recovery, or retain user data, that's your choice. Then sorry, I have already downloaded it. I don't know why. Firmwares, here it is. Select, then flash, then got it, then flash. Yes. So as you can see here, it's the bar status showing the process of flashing. So I'll just keep my device and stop the video right now, so until it successfully enters into it finishes the process of flashing or updating my device. Then your device will be okay. So see you later. Okay guys, we are back. So as you can see, the updating or restoring iOS has been successful, and now it's erasing the device because I chose without retaining user data, but that will be a choice. I just cancel it. Just okay, there's no problem with it. Okay, so the 3U tools can now detect my device. As you can see, that's my device, but it's still finishing the restoring or updating process, but it will be back to the home screen or hello screen. So let's just wait right about until now to be back. So guys, that's how you can repair your device yourself. It's just a matter of updating your device, putting it, connect it to the power or PC, hold the power button and volume down button, make sure you enter it into recovery mode, then update it. So as you can see, we are back on our hello screen, and now you can go do whatever you want, activate it. So that's it guys. This is your boy Isalim. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe guys. Please subscribe. Also, for those who want to support me, support this channel by donating, link in the description below. See you on another video. This is your boy Isalim signing out.